quiet streets covered in gold. Autumn leaves unfold. Walking alone, lost in my thoughts, embracing the silence, that's what I saw. Leaves under my feet, whispering tales, echoes of memories through the veils. A bit sad like the fall's farewell, but I'll keep walking, I won't dwell. A path of memories left behind with every step I find. I find a bittersweet melody in the air as autumn's embrace I start